Hello student, how are you all? You all are fine, no? Now, today our lecture is grammar. I am your grammar teacher. You know my names. My name is Geeta Miss. I will also take grammar and we have completed 2 chapters, 2 lessons. Today we will learn grammar lesson number 3, doing words. Okay, doing words. Doing words are also called verbs. Doing words are also called verbs. Okay, so now let us start. Are you ready for doing words? Yes, now see this. Next, yes, see this. This is your page of your grammar textbook. It is doing words. Okay, what we do every day, that it is written here. In the first line, first sentence, see, match the pictures with the words. Okay, see here all the pictures are given. Can you see the picture? Okay, can you see the picture? Each and every picture, see that picture of a boy, that picture of a teacher. Here there is a bird is flying, that boy is running, and see that girl is eating. Okay, so these words tell what the people and animals are doing. They are called doing words. Okay, doing words are also called action words. Okay, doing words are also called action words. Now see the question, what we have to do in this page? Match the picture with the words. Okay, see here in the between, the words are given. Okay, see I will read the word fly, F-L-Y, fly, S-I-N-G, sing, R-U-N, run, T-E-A-C-H, teach, E-A-T, eat, S-M-I-L-E, smile. Okay, now you all have done this, you have read. Now see, we will match it. Okay, see now fly, match it with the bird. Fly, match it with the bird. See I am doing fly, match with the bird. See, bird is flying. Okay, now next word, sing. See that boy, S-I-N, sing. See that man is singing. He is having a mic in his hand. Okay, the man is singing. Now R-U-N, run. See that boy down, running. Yes, very good. The boy is running. Now teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach, teacher. See, you can see the board and that boy and the teacher. Yes, Matty, teach, teacher. Teacher is teaching. So teach is a doing word. Okay, now E-A-T, eat. See that the girl is eating. She is eating. So girl is eating. Okay, now last word is smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile. See I am matching it, smile, with the boy picture. That face of a boy is smiling. See, okay? Again I am reading the last line. See, down the page. These words tell what the people and animals are doing. They are called doing words. Doing words, okay? Doing words are also called action words. Okay, again this line I am doing. See this, these words tell what the people and animals are doing. They are called doing words. Doing words are also called action words. Now you all have understood these action words. Action means what we do. No, they are doing words. They are also called action words. Okay? Yes, now see the next page. Yes, see this page. Book. This page is of book. Now see number 2. It is written. What it is written? I am saying. You also have to speak. Look at the pictures. Circle the doing words in the sentences. Okay, now see the picture first. Yeah, this picture. First you have to see the picture and see in the next line. There is a line A number. I drink water. Okay, first you see the picture. See this picture. Yes, number A. You have to read this sentence. I drink water. So what is the doing word? Doing word is drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Okay, see what you have to do? You have to circle the doing words. Okay. Now number B. B. See the picture first. See the picture. Okay. Can you see that girl? Yes. Okay. That girl is sleeping. And see B number. The picture number B. My sister sleeps on the bed. Okay. See again I am reading this sentence. My sister sleeps on the bed. Okay, sister is sleeping on the bed. So here the doing word is sleeps. S-L-E-E-P-S. Sleeps. Okay, can you see this picture? Again I am reading this sentence. B number. My sister sleeps on the bed. Okay, again see. My sister sleeps on the bed. Okay, have you seen this? Now see next picture, number C. See the boy is playing, that boy is having a ball. He is playing. Okay, so number C I am reading. First you see the picture, then I will read the sentence. Now number C. He plays football. Again I am telling. He plays football. Okay, so here the doing word is plays. See I am circling it. Plays. What is the spelling of plays? P-L-A-Y-S. Plays. Okay. He plays football. He plays football. Okay. Have you seen these pictures? Read this line. Okay. Now next picture. Picture number D. See the picture. There is a mother. There is a girl. And see that mother, she is doing something. What she is doing? She is baking cookies. Okay, see I will read that line, number D. Mother bakes cookies. Mother bakes cookies. See the spelling of bakes? B-A-K-E-S, bake. So bake is a doing words. Okay, again I will read. Mother bakes cookies. Okay, mother bakes cookies. Now see the next line. Sentence number E. The green frog hops in the pond. See in the picture you can see there is a frog. Yes, can you see the frog? That frog is hopping. He is hopping from one leaf to another. See, can you see there is a leaf? See, he is hopping from one leaf to another. Okay. So, the green frog hops in the pond. Hops is a doing word. So, circle hops. Okay. Now see, the green frog hops in the pond. Okay, now see next picture. Father drives a car. Can you see in the picture? There is a father, there is a car. Car is on the road. Okay, it is on the road and father is driving the car. So, okay, now sentence number F. See, Father drives a car. Okay. So you have to circle drives. Drives is a doing word. Okay. Drives. Father drives a car. Now see, again we will revise this page. Look at the pictures. Circle the doing words in the sentences. Again I am reading. See this question. Look at the pictures. Circle the doing words in the sentences. Okay, number A. I drink water. I drink water. So drink is a doing words in this sentence. Drink is a doing words. Okay, can you see in the picture? The girl is drinking water. Okay, see there is a I drink water. See that is a picture. Okay, see that is drinking water. Okay, now in the next picture, my sister sleeps on the bed. Now see, you can see in the picture there is a girl. She is sleeping on the bed. Okay, my sister sleeps on the bed. Sleeps is a doing word. You have understood it? Sleeps is a doing word. Now number C. He plays football. He plays football. So plays is a doing word. See in the picture, that boy is playing with a football. This picture is in your textbook. That boy is playing with a football. Okay, again I am reading this sentence. He plays football. Okay, number D. Mother bakes cookies. So here the doing word is bakes. B-A-K-E-S. Bakes. Okay, again. Mother bakes cookies. See the spelling of cookies. C-O-O-K-I-E-S. Cookies. Okay. Now the green frog hops in the pond. Hops is a doing word. Hops is a doing word. See that frog is hopping from one leaf to another. Can you see? You are also hopping, no, at home, doing, okay, while playing. Yes, now see number F. The father drives a car. See the picture, drives. That father is driving a car. So drives is a doing word. Okay. Now next slide. Can you see this? Okay. See there is a heading written. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Okay. Again. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Okay, their words are given. First we'll read the words. B-A-K-E-S, bakes. Again, B-A-K-E-S, bakes. Number 2, L-I-K-E-S, likes. L-I-K-E-S, likes. Number 3, B-L-O-W-S, blows. B-L-O-W-S, blows. W-R-I-T-E-S, writes. W-R-I-T-E-S, writes. Okay, now the next word. M-A-K-E-S, makes. M-A-K-E-S, makes. G-R-O-W-S, grows. G-R-O-W-S, grows. E-A-T-S, eats. E-A-T-S, eats. R-E-A-D-S, reads. R-E-A-D-S, reads. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. B-U-I-L-D-S, builds. Okay? Okay? Now, see this. Number A, You have to fill in the blanks this. You have to write, fill in the blanks. She, see number 1. She writes. Where is the spelling writes? Yes, this word you have to write in the blank. W-R-I-T-E-S, writes with a pen. Okay? She writes with a pen. She writes with a pen. Number B, the wind blows. Where is the spelling blows? Yes, B-L-O-W-S, blows. The wind blows. Okay, B-L-O-W-S, blows. Wind is blowing. No, you are learning in science lesson that wind blows. Yes, okay. Now number C. Hemant, H-E-M-A-N-T, Hemant. What word will come? You all know it is written lightly. Okay, now see in the box P-L-A-Y-S, plays. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. Hemant plays the guitar. Okay, you have learned this. You have to read also. Hemant plays the guitar. Okay. Number D. A bird dash a nest. What will come? What are the birds do? They build nest. Yes. See, where is the spelling? B-U-I-L-D-S. Builds. You have understood? Again, number D. A bird builds a nest. Okay, a seed, number E, see, a seed grows into a plant. Okay, I was spell the spelling. Now you see in the box, where is the spelling of grows? Yes, G-R-O-W-S, grows. See, G-R-O-W-S, grows. A seed grows into a plant. Okay, now number F. A cow dash grass. A cow eats grass. Where is the spelling? E-A-T-S, eats. E-A-T-S, eats. Okay, number F. See number F, read the sentence. A cow dash grass. A cow eats grass. Where is the spelling? Eats we have done. A cow eats grass. Okay. Now number G. A baker dash cakes. A baker bakes cakes. Where is the spelling bakes? B-A-K-E-S, bakes. Okay. Very good. Then father reads the newspaper in the morning. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. R-E-A-D-S, reads. Okay, again I am reading all these words. She writes with a pen. Okay, she is writing with a pen. So, write is a doing word. The wind blows. Blows is a doing word. Hemant plays the guitar. So, plays is a doing word. Okay. A bird builds a nest. Builds is a doing word. A seed grows into a plant. Grows is a doing word. A cow eats grass. So, eats is a doing word. A baker bakes cakes. So, bake is a doing word. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. Okay, have you learned this? Yes, now next. Okay, next, see, fill in the blanks with the correct doing words from the box. Here also their box are given that you have to write. R-O-A-R, roar. S-H-I P, chirp. Okay. Again see, roar, shine, bark, swim, crawl, chirp. All these are doing words. So lions, what will come? Lions, roar. R-O-A-R, roar. Lions, roar. Okay. Number B is fish, swim. Where is swim? Yes. S-W-I-M, swim. Fish, swim. Babies, crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Now number D, birds, chirp. C-H-I-R-P, chirp. Number E, dogs, D-O-G-S, dogs. Dogs, bark. B-A-R-K, bark. Number F, stars, stars, shine. S-H-I-N-E, shine. See, all these are doing words. Okay, roar, shine, bark, swim, crawl, chirp. These are doing words. See again, lions, roar, fish, swim, babies, crawl, birds, chirp, dogs, bark, stars, shine. Okay? Okay, very good. You all have read, know this? Now, next line. See, next we will read. Okay? See here. Number? Yes. Okay. Now, bakes. We will do this revision. Bakes, likes, blows, writes, makes, grows, eats, reads, plays and builds. See here, she writes with a pen. The wind blows. Hemant plays the guitar. A bird builds a nest. A seed grows into a plant. A cow eats grass. A baker bakes cakes. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. Okay? Yes, now see next one. We will see. See, can you see this picture? A beautiful picture is given. There are many children in the garden. See, that girl is there. Yes, that girl is there. She is sitting on a horse. That boy is standing. That boy is skating. See, that one boy is swinging. And then one girl is on the slides. Okay? Yes. Now, so all these children are playing. So, word P-L-A-Y, play is a doing words. Okay? P-L-A-Y, play is a doing words. Now, next slide. See this boy, he has a book, he has pencil. See, there is pencil, many colors pencil. He is writing. That boy is writing. So, W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Okay, now see, write is a doing word. Now see next slide. See that mother is cooking. There is a pot in her hand on the stove. Okay, so C-double-O-K, cook. C-double-O-K, cook is also a doing words. Now see next slide. Yeah, this is a very nice picture, no? But the girl is very crying, girl. See, the girl is crying, girl is sad. Cry. So the word C-R-Y, cry is a doing word. The girl is crying. Cry is a doing word. Okay? Now next picture. See, there are beautiful fishes. Fishes are in the water. Fish swim. Okay? So swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Swim is also a doing words. Okay? Now next picture. See this bird. Can you see this beautiful bird? Bird is flying. F-L-Y. Fly is a doing word. Okay, fly is a doing word. Bird, fly. Now next one, see the dog. Can you see the dog? Dog is barking. Dog is barking. Now see the spelling, B-A-R-K, bark. Bark is also a doing word. Now see next one, stand. See this girl is standing. So stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand. Stand is a doing word. See now next picture. The picture, see here all action words, all doing words are given here. Okay, number 1 picture, see that small baby, crawl, the baby crawls. So crawl is a doing word, action words. Okay, C-R-A-W-L, crawl, baby crawl. Now kick, K-I-C, kick, that boy is kicking the ball. K-I-C, kick, okay. Now next, C-A-double-L, call. C-A-double-L, call. See that a cat is calling, see. The cat is calling someone on the phone. C-A-double-L, call. Call is a doing word. Look, L-double-O-K, look. L-double-O-K, look, see that an animal is looking there. Can you see? Yes. Now, next picture. L-A-double-F, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. See that man is laughing. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Okay? D-A-N-C, dance. D-A-N-C, dance. See that the picture, they all are dancing. 2 animals are dancing. Okay? Now next one, drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive. See that man is driving a car. Okay? Now next picture, read. That girl is reading a book. R-E-A-D, read. The girl read the book. Now ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Okay, see that girl is riding. R-I-D-E, ride. Again we will see first one. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Again 2 times I will repeat, okay? C-R-A-W-L, crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl is a doing words. K-I-C, kick. K-I-C, kick. Okay, C-A-double-L, call. C-A-double-L, call. L-double-O-K, look. L-double-O-K, look. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. D-A-N-C-E, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. D-R-I-V-E, drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive. R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read. R-I-D-E, ride. R-I-D-E, ride. Okay, all you have understood this? These all are doing words. Now you have to read these words. Okay, you have understood this lesson. You have understood this chapter. Okay, see now. Yes, you have to read these words. Again, you have to read the spellings. You have to learn it, how the spellings are written. You have to learn doing words. Crawl, kick, call, look, laugh, dance, drive, read, and last word is ride. Okay, you all will do this. Yes? Yes. Okay. Now see. We have learned all these, no? Yes, what we learned today? Doing words, match the picture with the words. Then, see, match the picture, circle the doing words. We have done the circle. Then we did the words from the box. Then we did this doing words from the box. then this also we did words, and these all words we did today. Okay, you all have done this. Yes, thank you very much. And now see, you all have to do this. You have to write and read also. Okay.